Here's page 28 of the notes, solve problems involving corresponding parts. In my first example, it says triangle XYZ is congruent to triangle QRP. That means X corresponds with Q, Y corresponds with R, and Z corresponds with P. We want to find measure of angle P, measure of angle Q, measure of angle R, and also the lengths XY, XZ, and PR. So I just match the angle to the angle. 42 for Q, 59 for R, and 79 for P. Then also XY with QR. So XY here with QR, 13. And then XZ, X with Z, so first and third with Q and P, first and third, QP. XZ with QP is 11 inches. And then the last one is easy, 8 inches. Next, we're given ABCD is congruent to YZWX. So A with Y, B with Z, C with W, and D with X. So we need to fill in the missing side lengths and angle measures. Well, A and Y are not given. B and Z are not given. So we just need to find the other two, X and W. So the measure of angle X is the same as the measure of angle D, which is 150 degrees. The measure of angle W is the same as the measure of angle C, which is 28 degrees. We also have side lengths AB and AD, but not BC or CD, and none over here. So AB is corresponding with YZ, so YZ is 5. And then AD, first with the last letter, corresponds with YX. YX and AD, 7. So YX equals 7. In the next example, it says the two figures are congruent, but it does not tell us what order, so we have to figure it out. We need to fill in missing angle measures and side lengths. So here I have 38 degrees and 38 degrees. Those will be corresponding. And then I have 58 meters and 58 meters. That means FG corresponds with JK. So that means G corresponds with K. And K will be 79 degrees. Then 63 degrees, measure of angle H, is equal to measure of angle I, 63 degrees. And then I can complete the side lengths. Triangle FGH is congruent to triangle JKI. And then GH corresponds to KI. KI is 40, so GH is also 40 meters. And then the last one is 64 meters. We're going to do the same thing for the last example. I have 48 and 99 degrees here, 60 and 153 degrees here. I'm missing one side length here, which is 27 inches. I can see that the smallest side is 19 inches, so over here the smallest side is 19 inches. So it should be obvious. This angle is more than 90 degrees, so I have 153 degrees here, and the other angle is 60 degrees. So angle T is congruent to angle U, angle R is congruent to angle W, and then I have the angle adjacent to 19, 153 and 48, so adjacent to 19, I have 153 and 48 here. And then the last angle will be 99 degrees. So angle X congruent to angle Q, and then angle V is congruent to angle S. Okay, so my quadrilateral QRST is congruent to Q has 3, so X, and then R has 2, so W. S has 4, V, and then T has 1, so U. Missing angle, square angle Q. Measure of angle Q is 48. Measure of angle S is 99 degrees. Measure of angle U is 60 degrees. And measure of angle W is 153 degrees. I still need to find some missing signs. So opposite of 19, I have here, opposite of 19, 30 inches. And then opposite of 27, I have 50 inches. So I will write RS equals 27 inches. XW equals 19 inches. UV equals 30 inches. And UX equals 50 inches.